As consumers embrace changes in technology, moving from fixed desktop computers to mobile applications like laptops and tablets, they've begun to use alternative browsers on the web. The world is no longer tied to IE, as Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are all in heavy use. As such, doesn't it only make sense that your web-based review platform meets these needs? Today we'll take a closer look at how XERA increases efficiency of review with its multi-browser support. Now, in a previous webinar, you've seen a demonstration on an iPad to show off some of the tablet device functionality. Today, I'm going to bring us in, and you'll notice, via Firefox. Now, obviously, all browsers have their own little quirks and little preferences. Thankfully, with the HTML5 backbone that XERA has been developed on, you'll see how XERA has been able to surpass any potential issues in those browsers to truly support and allow you to come in and view and work with the documents the way you need to do that. As I come in, we'll see all aspects from the unique, intuitive train car navigation. That whole notion of swiping back and forth remains the exact same. As I grab a particular project, jump in, my dashboard, all of the tiles and the various functionality in here are all available for me. Again, I'm not in IE. I've come in via the browser I prefer to work in. For example, I can come in and access all of my batches just as I normally would, work with my various tiles, communicate with other members of my team, simply swipe right into my database. All of my folders, all of my searching capabilities, all available for me in place here. As I run a particular search, get my results back and come in to take a look at my documents. The one really nice thing I like about the multi-browser support in here is one issue we'll often run into, and a lot of traditional platforms will run into, is when you're dealing with native files, how do they render up properly into some sort of a consistent viewer? You notice while I have a series of PDFs and other documents in here, XERA notes and automatically pulls those over and converts them so they can open up inside of the image viewer. So any issues around a Stellent viewer not being supported and it brings the whole system down just simply does not exist, allowing me to come in, apply my various coding, working with the commentary and all of the increased collaborative aspects we've seen in other XERA videos already. Once again, increased efficiency by working with your documents from multiple browsers and a myriad of devices, truly meeting the needs of all parties in a legal team. All from XERA, the platform that works the way you think.